mentioned earlier, everybody likes to be able to have the pecans out of the shell and in the bag. And so the first step of the three-step process of shelling pecans is put them through the cracker. These are two old Champion crackers and then a Myers cracker. And they're old, but they were used, but they still work pretty good. So we've been using them this year and had pretty good success with them. And I'll demonstrate how they crack the pecans. Put them in the hopper, come out crack. Once we get the pecans out of the cracker, the next step is to put them in the sheller, and that will actually separate the majority of the shell from the nut meat, which is the next part in the three-step process of being able to getting a good finished product. What we have here is just an old-fashioned type of sheller. You put the pecans, the product in here. It goes through the beater bars and separates the shell from the meat, and the meat falls down on the bottom down here, and then the shells are sucked up into this duct bed that goes out of the barn, and also the big parts go in the trash can back behind here. It's pretty effective. It works real well for small usage like ours. But we'll go ahead and demonstrate how it works. The final step in processing pecans is to be able to inspect them very carefully and just get the good nut meat in the box so that we can go ahead and put it in plastic bags. So what I'm going to do right now is show you what we do in this final process. This is the nut meat that we just got from the sheller, and what we do is we're taking now we begin the tedious process of getting just the best of the nut meat. Okay, the final process once we go through the inspection table is to put them in the bags, weigh them out, make sure we have exactly a pound, and we have this little handy sealer. Seals it, ready to go, and this is our final product.